So interest rates are close to 0% or at 0% all around the world, and there's speculation that interest rates might go to negative. And in addition to that, there's a lot of misleading information online about how to make passive income and how to invest for a passive income. So with that in mind, I've created an ebook, or should we say a short e-guide, which will be available from June 10 or 15. So if you want to get access to the ebook, you can actually respond to me below or by clicking the link below to kind of give you a brief insight into what the ebook is going to be talking about. It's going to be comparing different strategies, whether that's through direct real estate or real estate investment trusts, other forms of investing, and the positives and negatives of all of these things, and approximately how much money you might need for different strategies, and so on.